Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the WORX 20V Cordless Stick Vacuum, a powerful yet lightweight cleaning tool designed to handle everything from pet hair to fine dust, while being versatile enough for a variety of surfaces. The WORX brand is known for offering practical solutions, and this model claims to pack a punch with features like 25 kPa suction, cyclonic filtration, and a whole host of accessories. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's break it down and find out. The WORX 20V Cordless Stick Vacuum comes with a range of impressive features, tailored to make your cleaning tasks faster and more efficient. First off, we've got 25 kPa of suction power, which is a significant boost for a cordless model. In real-world terms, that means this vacuum can pick up even the most stubborn debris, think pet hair, dirt, and fine dust, across different floor types. Speaking of floors, this vacuum isn't limited to just one surface. It's built to tackle carpets, hardwood, tile, and even stairs or upholstery, thanks to the versatile multi-surface brush roll. Plus, the addition of LED lights on the front of the vacuum helps illuminate dark corners and hidden spots, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Another standout feature is the cyclonic filtration system, which helps capture fine dust and particles, improving overall air quality while you clean. If you suffer from allergies, this is an important consideration because it prevents fine dust from being blown back into the air. The vacuum's filtration system, coupled with a bonus filter, works efficiently to keep your cleaning environment as clean as your floors. In terms of capacity, the dust cup is easy to empty, and the one-touch button makes maintenance a breeze. Battery life is always a key consideration with cordless vacuums, and the WORX 20V doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 20V 2.0 Ah battery that offers decent runtime across its 3-speed settings. Whether you're looking for a quick touch-up or a more intense clean, you can adapt the power to suit your needs. The battery is part of the WORX PowerShare platform, so you can conveniently use the same battery across over 140 other WORX power tools and products. This makes it a great addition if you're already a WORX user and want to minimize the number of batteries you need to keep charged. When it comes to ease of use, the vacuum is lightweight, tipping the scales at just 5.5 pounds. That makes it easy to maneuver and comfortable to hold for extended cleaning sessions. The stick vacuum design quickly lays flat, allowing you to get under furniture without any hassle. But what truly sets this vacuum apart is its handheld capability. With the click of a button, you can convert it into a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach places like above floor areas or inside your car. This makes it incredibly versatile for various cleaning needs, from tight corners to upholstery. Now let's talk accessories. The WORX 20V Cordless Stick Vacuum comes with a pet hair brush, which features rubber bristles to help lift stubborn pet hair off your furniture, stairs, and other areas. It also includes a crevice tool and dusting brush for tackling those nooks and crannies. Whether you're cleaning car interiors or dusting blinds, these tools make it easy to adapt the vacuum to whatever task is at hand. But how does it really perform in the real world? I gave it a thorough test in various scenarios, and the results were pretty solid. On hard floors, the vacuum picked up everything from fine dust to cereal crumbs without any issues. Moving to carpets, it did a great job lifting embedded dirt, though it struggled a bit with thicker, high-pile carpets. That said, it handled pet hair remarkably well, particularly with the rubber-bristled pet hair brush. For everyday cleaning on medium-pile carpets and hardwood, it does the job effortlessly. One thing to note is how it performs on stairs and upholstery. With the crevice tool and pet hair brush, it was easy to clean between stair treads and around upholstery, though the suction performance was noticeably better on hard floors and low-pile carpet than on thicker rugs. The versatility of the vacuum shines in these situations, especially since it can be converted to a handheld unit, giving you access to tight spaces and more difficult-to-reach spots. Battery life was good, but not exceptional. On the lowest power setting, I managed to get a decent cleaning session in without any noticeable loss of suction. However, when you bump it up to the highest setting for deep cleaning or tackling stubborn dirt, you'll see a faster drain on the battery. Thankfully, The inclusion of 2 batteries helps extend cleaning time, and you can always swap them out to keep going. Now let's talk about the noise level. While this vacuum isn't the quietest on the market, it's certainly not the loudest either. On higher power settings, the sound can be a bit noticeable, but it's not overwhelming. It's manageable for most users, and the high suction power means you're getting solid cleaning performance for the noise you're dealing with. In terms of maintenance, cleaning the brush roll and clearing the dust cup is straightforward. The extra filter is a nice touch as it extends the life of the vacuum and makes upkeep easier. However, like any vacuum, you will need to clean the brush roll regularly, especially if you have long hair or pet hair, as it can get tangled. When it comes to value for money, the WORX 20V Cordless Stick Vacuum holds its own. At its price point, you're getting solid performance, good suction power, and a range of useful accessories. While it may not be the best choice for larger homes with thick carpets, it's more than sufficient for smaller spaces, apartments, or homes with mostly hard floors and medium pile carpets. Plus, the versatility of the PowerShare batteries and the included tools add a layer of convenience that competitors at this price point often lack. Comparing it to some alternatives in the same price range, vacuums like the Black Decker 20V Max and the Shark IonFlex 2X come to mind. While the Shark model offers a bit more in terms of battery life and features like self-cleaning brush rolls, the WORX model holds its ground with its multi-surface cleaning ability and lightweight design. The Black Decker vacuum, on the other hand, tends to perform better on thicker carpets but lacks the same level of versatility and extra tools that the WORX offers. In terms of build quality, the WORX vacuum feels sturdy, though not quite premium. The plastic is solid but not overly heavy, and the joints and attachments snap into place with ease. It's built for everyday use and should hold up well over time, assuming you keep up with regular maintenance like cleaning the filters and brush rolls. So, who is the WORX 20V Cordless Stick Vacuum best for? If you're looking for an affordable, versatile cordless vacuum that can tackle pet hair, debris on multiple floor types, and tight spaces, this is a solid option. It's perfect for smaller homes or apartments, especially if you need something lightweight and easy to maneuver. If you have a larger home with deep carpets or high pile rugs, you might find its suction a little lacking in those areas, but for most users, it offers great value for its price. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're interested in this vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews from Reviewsinsidetv. Feel free to ask any questions or share your own experiences with the WORX vacuum. See you next time!